Let's find out what we can do to actually spy on our competitors and leverage what they're doing to help us. Now, let's say we've defined, using the previous steps in our competitor analysis, that we understand that 2 or 3 of our competitors are actually doing much better than us with SEO. Now, how do we then compete with that? How do we find out what we need to do to actually beat them in that particular area? Now, this may also apply to like social advertising, it might apply to different products you sell. You have to analyze what they're doing which is better than you, and then say, how are we going to achieve that? How are we going to overtake them in this specific area? So for example, let's say you've got the SERP, which is the search engine results page for like Google. You'll actually have, let's say you're in position 4 and you want to overtake 2 competitors and achieve position 1. Now, not all of those competitors are going to be all the same size as you. So for example, in position 1, you might have Amazon, who is a large competitor. As we discussed earlier, you've got 3 different types of competitors. You don't really want to be competing with these top large competitors like Amazon and Etsy and all these other bigger companies. You want to be able to overtake them and slip into a spot where your competitors, which are the same size as you, more relevant, are already there. So you basically want to replace people that are the same size as you in the search engine. So to be able to do that, you then define what that competitor is achieving. Has it got more backlinks? Has it got more content? Has it got more keywords? Has it got more supporting pages? Has it got more general authority on the site? You find out those things and then you say, right, we need to work ahead and try and achieve that. And so it's a very analytical approach, and you can actually define exactly what you need. And by the way, I'm willing to discuss this with you. If you think SEO is something that you're struggling to achieve, then let me know. I can do this analysis on specific keywords. I can even do it on specific categories or pages and find out what you need to be doing to get to those top positions in Google. Now, looking at that, you can then define, how will this make a difference? And you can set a goal. So if I overtake this competitor, this will make a difference in sales because of X, Y, and Z. And that's really, really valuable because you can then build a business case for making that improvement, for overtaking that competitor.